So Ryan asked me on Twitter that he wanted to target title and escrow companies in the US, and he wanted some ways of finding like lead generation, like strategies and everything. And today I did my fair share of research and I went through a lot of different strategies which can be used to actually find leads from like a lot of different sources so that Ryan actually gets the objective, the end goal of having like a lot of leads. And yeah, basically he can reach out to them, sell whatever services he want to sell them, and he has access to more clients than he can frankly handle. So I put together a list of 5 different sources which can be used. The first one is going to be Yelp, which is again a local business directory. So let's say I enter the keyword escrow, and over here you can select like what location you want to target. So let's say Austin, Texas, and the keyword is escrow. And over here we can see a lot of different companies, and obviously there are like hundreds and hundreds of businesses. We can obviously after this move on to the next location. We can go to like Dallas, Texas or something. Yeah, basically you have access to like a lot of different companies which are listed over here, and using this we can find the verified email addresses, phone numbers. Like using all these different methods you will find the verified email addresses, phone numbers, and the social media URLs of all the relevant people in the company, so that you can reach out to them. You can reach out to them via cold calling, via cold SMS, WhatsApp messages, via voicemail drops, via email, like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, like all these different sources. And yeah, after that, like obviously I'm going to be telling you what all you can use, but I'm not going to go into the actual tutorial like how you're supposed to do it, because I've obviously created like this is exact on how you can scrape like Yelp for emails and phone numbers. And once you have scraped the data, I'll show you what it website kind of like looks like. So uh, yep, over here as you can see we have like the website extraction feature, so we can find like phone numbers and email addresses from this as well. And there was another method of finding these leads. So yeah, over here you can see we were able to scrape like Yelp for different things, and yeah, you get access to like the emails, personal emails, phone numbers, and LinkedIn, like everything you actually need in order to reach out to them. After that, the next method we can use is obviously use Google Maps. So if we come over to maps.google.com, which is like Google Maps, and we search for, let's say, escrow companies in like, let's say let's say New York. I just search for that, and over here we have like so many different companies which are located over New York. You can easily find 100 to 300 companies easily listed in each and every single like locality. And over here I've also attached the tutorial. So basically inside of Leadwave, the software, there's like a thing known as Google Maps Scraper, and you can use that to scrape the data. So you can come here in Leadwave, which is like a freaking dope software which I built. And over here we have like a Google Map scraper, and you can use it if you want to know. It's like really freaking simple to use. So it's a Chrome extension which can be downloaded, and over here like I'll clear the data and show you from scratch. Let's say I want to search for escrow companies, and over here, yeah, let's say New York. I'll click on the start extracting button, and after that it's basically going to give me like their websites, their emails, phone numbers, like where they're located, everything. And yeah, now using this method you can scrape all the different data, and yep, that's how you scrape Google Maps. Again, I've attached the tutorial on how you can use it. It's pretty simple. You just enter the type of company and the location. You can enter like multiple locations at once. Once you've done that, you can click on the stop extracting button over here and click on download over here. And yeah, that's like the Google Map scraper. And yeah, Google obviously has so many like hundreds and thousands of these companies in this industry listed, so you can definitely use that. The next method is going to be like finding the, like obviously if you just go ahead and you scrape Yellow Pages or Better Business Bureau like LinkedIn or Yelp, it's not going to work, because you get access to data which is like usually mobile phone numbers, and everyone like usually landline numbers, sorry, and everyone is like reaching out to them. But if you actually want to get great freaking results from these generic directories and databases like Yellow Pages and Better Business Bureau and Yelp, then you need to like take it a step further, and that's what I do in these tutorials. So yeah, just watch these tutorials, it's going to help you. Yellow Pages is another, like again, like it's basically again a directory. So let's say I search for escrow keyword, and over here I search for like, let's say, Texas City, Texas. Over here it's going to show me like all the different things which are going to be related to it. So you can search for that. Like I don't think so it got it, so let's say title companies. Yeah, over here you can see all the different title companies which are present over here, and I've shown you like how you can scrape this data in this tutorial. So you can just go
So this
here
is
and
exactly
watch it. So we're going to be scraping all of this data using automation, and once the data has been scraped, then we can like verify it, like if it's a SMS number or if it's a WhatsApp number, and after that we can like enrich the data by entering like the websites which are present over here, and then we get access to this data which are like the first name, last name of all the people working there, their phone number, email addresses, and we can also scrape the website which like we can scrape the websites so that we get access to like their social profiles like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, so that we can send them cold DMs as well. Similarly, Better Business Bureau is another directory which can be used for the same. So over here, let's say I want to search for title companies again, let's say, and I want to search it again, like let's say Texas, then yeah, over here we can see like them. Maybe I narrow down the search a bit too much. Let's say I want to search a bigger city, Dallas, over here. Yeah, you can see, and you can just repeat the process for all these different things, and yeah, you can find like the phone number over here. But obviously, this is usually not going to be like the phone number of the owner. So in this tutorial, I've shown you how you can find the email and the phone number of the owner, and also the social media profile. So you can go through this tutorial, you can watch it, and you will be able to find how exactly you're supposed to do it. LinkedIn is another great source. So let's say I try to find like I'll ask ChatGPT what are some keywords people like. Yeah, I'll just ask ChatGPT because I've not worked with this industry. What are some keywords that owners of title or escrow companies might include in their LinkedIn profile? So I'll just ask ChatGPT for some keywords so that we can search it on LinkedIn, and then we can search like so it basically said like escrow or title services. Maybe we can like do it using the category over here. So if we come to people on LinkedIn, and then we like basically you have to find like all the people who are in like your ideal customers using LinkedIn search. So maybe we can come here, we can come and search industry, we can search like escrow or title. I think that will come under like the real estate industry if I'm not wrong. But yeah, like let me search for yeah, over here, as you can see, we have like some title company owners and all these different people over here. Or we can select like location. Let's say I only want United States. Then yeah, basically I can use this search filter to export all of the data. We can use this to find the verified email addresses and phone numbers, link all that nice stuff using this data. And again, I've created a full tutorial on how you can scrape LinkedIn. So basically, you just need to find it, and yeah, you can like access to all this data. So we like enter the search term, and after that, like after applying all the filters, we can simply export them using like a free Chrome extension, and after that we can download the CSV and enrich the data. And then once we have done that entirely, we get access to like I'll just show you. Yeah, we can use the first name and the last name and the company name to find the verified email addresses, or we can enrich the domains as well to find it. So yeah, that's basically how you can like scrape LinkedIn as well. And these are 5 ways of like finding like unlimited leads for title and escrow companies. Like this is what I came up with. If I obviously find more stuff, more like insights on how this can be improved and what more can be done, then obviously I'm going to be simply adding like updating this entire thing. And just watch the tutorials over here. This was not meant to be me showing you how to do it. This is me telling you, okay, these are the different ways, and in these tutorials you can see how exactly you can use the different tools to actually help you with the same. I hope this helped. If there's any questions you have, feel free to reach out to me in the comments below over here. Have a lovely, awesome, fantastic day ahead.